friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 6 Integers Exercise 6.1 question number 3. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started. So this question says represent the following numbers on number line. So as we know that how can we represent integers, whether it is a positive integer or a negative integer on a number line, same this question is saying. So we have to represent the following numbers given to us on the number line, and the A1 is plus 5. So now we know what is a number line. So let's quickly start making our number line. So like this, let's imagine. Alright, so this is our number line, and let's take the center over here as this one. Alright, and this will be marked 0. Okay, now friends, if we have to mark integers over here, you can start marking negative integers or positive integers first. It's up to you. So let's first mark the positive integers here. Okay, so positive integers come to the right of 0. So first in positive integer after 0 which we will get is 1. Alright. Now let's start marking the negative numbers. So first negative number over here will be minus 1. So as you can see, we have labeled the negative numbers over here, and also we have made the number line. Now second step is to find where will we get this plus 5. Plus 5 is a positive number, so it is clear we will not find plus 5 over here in the negative numbers. So that means we need to go towards right from 0 to find plus 5. So 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, and after 4 we are getting 5. As you can see, this is 5. Okay, so as you can see, we have represented a positive 5 on the number line. Now friends, the next question is minus 10. So B1 is minus 10. So we have to represent minus 10 on the number line. Okay, so first let's make the number line here. So from here let's imagine. Alright, so as you can see, here we have made the number line. Right friends, so now over here let's take the center on which we can make 0. So let's say this point as the center and 0 over here. Alright, so now we have to start labeling the positive numbers and the negative numbers. So you can start from anywhere you want to. So first I think we can start with writing positive integers here. So let's see. So if we go to the right of 0 over here, as you can see, here we have 1, then we have 2. You can see here we have labeled the positive numbers. Now it comes to labeling negative numbers. So negative numbers will come to the right, so will come to the left. So over here first number will be minus 1, next number will be minus 2. Alright friends, so here we have labeled the negative numbers even, and now we have to look for minus 10 in this. So minus 10 is a negative number, so it is clear we will not find it over here, because in this when we go to the right of 0 we are getting positive number, but minus 10 is a negative number, so it will be to the left of 0. So here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9, and then we have minus 10. So this is minus 10 over here, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, we have represented minus 10 on the number line. Next number over here we have is plus 8. Okay, so as you can see, I have made the line to make things shorter. So let's fix a center point over here on which we can write 0. So let's say this point as the center point. Alright, now let's start labeling the numbers. So first we will start labeling the positive integers. So we have 1, we have 2. Now friends, let's label the negative numbers. So negative numbers, first we have minus 1, then we have minus 2 here. Friends, as you can see over here, we have labeled the negative numbers even and also the positive integers. So now the number we have is plus 8 and it is a positive number. So we are going to check, we are going to move to the right from 0. Okay, so from 0 we get 1, then we get 2, then we get 3, then we get 4, 5, 6, 7 and then we get 8, and this is the number we were looking for, plus 8. Alright, so here we have represented plus 8 on the number line. Next question says minus 1. So next question is minus 1 and we have to represent minus 1 on the number line. So let's start making the number line. Let's imagine this as the center point and 0 here. So let's label the positive numbers first. So we have 1, then we have 2. As you can see over here, we have labeled the positive numbers, and now let's start labeling the negative numbers. So first over here we have minus 1, minus 2. Now friends, as you can see, we have made the number line and the number which we have to label is minus 1, and it is quite simple as we know. As you can see, minus 1 is just to the left of 0 over here. So as you can see, we have represented minus 1 on the number line. Friends, the next question is minus 6. Okay, so we have to represent minus 6 on the number line. So same line over here, let's start the center point over here. We have 0. Now let's start labeling the positive numbers which are going to come to the right of our center point, which is 0. So first positive number we get is 1. Then we have 2. Friends, as you can see over here, we have labeled the positive numbers even. Now let's start labeling the negative numbers. So first negative number will be minus 1 here. Then we will get minus 2. Alright friends, so we have labeled the positive and also the negative numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers, and now the number which we have to label, which we have to represent is minus 6. So as you can see, it is a negative number. So from 0 we move to minus 1, then minus 2 and then minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and we get minus 6. Okay, so this number, as you can see over here, we have labeled minus 6. We have represented minus 6 on the number line. And friends, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, leave a like on this video if you enjoyed watching. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing. Bye-bye.